you see that even in the assembly also Congress is somewhere?
It's totally different institution altogether if you talk about assembly and about this council. So this council, as you are aware, number one is we can call it partyless organization where anybody can go anywhere, where anyone can join anywhere. So I think that question does not arise at all as far as assembly level is concerned.
So what is the reason of toppling the new, toppling the...
I'm not an MDC, I don't know much. I like you. Yes, but see, I'm a minister of DCA. DCA means I'm looking after the welfare of the three district council. And it is not my duty to topple anybody. Okay. But for that, I think the elected members, be it Garo, be it Khasi, be it the Jied, they are the one who does that, who choose their leaders.
The UDP President Meghalaya expressed unhappiness in the manner in which...
Sorry?
UDP President Meghalaya has expressed dissatisfaction over the style in which the UDP PC was removed.
No. As I said to you, nothing of that sort, because now it is purely dependable upon the elected members of the Khasi's Autonomous Council. So you ask from them, I think they are the best people to tell you exactly what is the reason and why new EC has been just established today inside the house.
So you will be getting the support of Congress, but will they be in the EC?
Sorry?
Congress MDCs.
I don't know, because see, don't ask me this small issue. You can ask from this CM who has been elected today. It is his prerogative. Who are the members to be in the executive committee? I think you can ask from him. He is the best person.
But how do you reconcile that Congress is in the opposition there and here it is in the ruling?
I've already told you from the very beginning. See, as far as this council is concerned, it is a partyless organization, partyless constitutional body. So don't ask me this question because nobody even can reply on that. But the point here is, if you talk about the assembly, if you talk about the state government, we are all intact.
So can you please tell?